In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete call history on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. You will see the app icon, which resembles a green speech bubble with a white telephone inside it. Tapping this icon will launch the app and take you to the main chat interface. This is where all your messaging happens, but today we're focusing on call history. Opening the app is crucial because it allows you to access your calls, settings, and other features related to your account. Remember that a clean call history not only helps in managing your privacy but also improves the overall organization of your app. Next, tap the Calls tab at the top of the interface. This tab is typically the one that shows a phone icon, and it lists all your recent calls, both incoming and outgoing. Once you tap it, your call logs will be displayed in chronological order. You may notice different icons next to each call, indicating whether it was a voice or video call. This step is important because it directs you to where you need to be to manage your call history. Viewing your calls helps you keep track of your communications, which is essential in today's fast-paced world. Now press and hold the call you want to delete. When you do this, the screen will change and you will see options appear. The selected call will be highlighted, indicating that it is ready to be removed from your history. This action allows you to specifically choose the call you want to delete, ensuring you only remove what you intend to. It's a quick and straightforward process that gives you control over your call records. Next, tap the delete, which is represented by a trash icon. You will find this icon usually located at the top of your screen after you've selected the call. Tapping it will prompt a confirmation message, ensuring that you really want to delete the selected call. This step is crucial because it prevents accidental deletions, giving you a second chance to change your mind. Once you confirm, the call will be permanently removed from your history. The selected call is removed from your call history. You will see a brief confirmation at the bottom of the screen, ensuring that the action was successful. This is important because it confirms that your changes have been applied. Having a clean call history can help you focus on the important conversations and numbers that you need easy access to. By following these steps, you can easily manage your call history on WhatsApp. Regularly deleting calls that you no longer need can help keep your app organized. This small maintenance task is a simple way to enhance your user experience. With your call history tidy, you can quickly find the calls that matter most to you. You have now learned how to delete call history on WhatsApp. Remember, maintaining your call records not only helps in managing your privacy but also ensures a more efficient communication experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.